Bemo Tibi Fiati Median Yaba video me naked. You were there glorifying it. When you know one debium, Nadia could dear Fiam Conconsa. Who was
about figures. As the doctor will put the timber, how can they bet an income? But answer na visiting or walk who could not be doctor.
Say your Plastered. Would she mean the agreement by Thomas Woviadoma? On any no me from
Dormaahene to understand that there is a God.
I am jubilating because Kwasia plaster when you know no hospital will plaster your face like that. Kwasia
Ebusia finally Kofi Adomah wonweni abekasa for the very first time after saying ni hu sem ebeje me na wo social media ne so no areho sanso na ye ne yiri me kire mu anana abena etruba ani din e de Mrs Miracle ono so asene a very strong message e de Adomahene enipa nyina te se wi ase ka say obi ahwiase e obi anigye Queen Afia snega de o se bonko anu wobo
akofa kg for plaster we atata wani Kwasia doctor be the plaster wani sir. May God punish your enemies. May God cause your enemies to do what they were expecting you to do. May God crush your enemies. Today I have seen my enemy crying and I'm rejoicing because it's the doing of the Lord.
Aha, let's talk ghtrends. And any first time I'm popping into a video, I make sure say, obe subscribe, ama me no share video, ama fufra share, no follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and a TikTok also as let's talk gh. Any comment be awono na weja el comment section ho edi amame. Ebusi amede be so mo say eye bra Kofi Adomah wonweni. Onu anka say nim de wa wosi bone ho modern e wo Ghana eba eye media fraternity ma je say won fa ni agro kra na rekosem aye teye e kire say bra yi ekọ eye doma akọkava eye afasha je say etuo to no omtoto no eye tuo ni bibo na ni say pine ani je say be ya yemhihie wo Ghana bi mu sise na ebi mu say powder keke ebi si nyetu aboba wo ebe ye nsem bebre. Na finally, eyo onu ankasa Kofi Adomah na abekasa na areho.
Obi kasa mete ne no na me se enye me CEO Vincent na kasa yi. Na afede o kasa ya de okowie ye ne se kokura man fere se obehwisi ohwene so a. Me so me fere se me de adro beta so me se Vincent. Me am CEO. And then the company brand who here chain me nkwa. You don't care about my emotions. You don't know what I'm going through. I feel now be caught in negative energy me. And your money say, do you know how much has been spent? Tibobo figures na na figure na for adwen afi. How not a tin yawa me namu. Na be video back. Wa bro ka so be ya na me say na Ghana for beka services video ye one more sumpo se obi mre ni sika. Oye video ni wiye na ya abre for be fie ha ohun se the situation net here.
Na busia enkomotwetwe ne koso se omo hia omo gada fra himfo no mo ba ya tese omo ye conference abra Kofi e de ne haw etu dwa de wafam amane a wakom etu dwa. Na enkomotwetwe na akoso no e na ye Mrs Miracle Adomah nana enso so je Mike no say ewiase wa hu etwa oyonko hu a wo si echi aduam ene CEO of Angel Group and Company wajene die wo say wo Vincent ankamene wo die keni kwa sa wotena se na okeka ye ho nsem kra
On record, Vincent, I will need to come on the business. We are on a personal. By BBT, mediacho. By Mr. Yankupon days, I can be my ya on fan show. About figures. As the doctor will put the timber, how can they bet an income? But answer na visiting or walk who could not be doctor. Answer no bet Cassan on Kade or by me a dinkaya surgeries. He met doctors here. Not be taking care. I didn't take a gun for my husband's mother, my husband's father, my husband's family. Nobody.
Wamanansu wow. Nana Dormaahene was sending message man.
We are talking about millions of thousands of dollars. Almost more than 500,000 it's gone. And nobody has asked anything from anybody. But Dormaahene is to understand that there is a God. Is to understand that I am born into Christianity. And there was a God. I know a God who speaks for people who doesn't have voice. I have a voice and I can speak. But I decided to keep quiet. Now I'm on a stool. I believe on Dormaahene's stool. That one kasa mano. Na minim na the right time. Nana Dormaahene na konja be kasa ama ne destin konkron Kofi Adomah wanweni. Because of that, I have forgiven them. I am telling him that when he go to church, that is if he does, he should just tell God that we said we are forgiving him. That is not all about money. Ghanaians.
Ebusiana say from the horse's own mouth, Mrs. Miracle Adomah say, Nensema oka no ni tintini ntietem na opa kusi say fiti bra se misiye ankofo ebo na Dormaahene echi ewo media ne sankofo twe ne sere ne abasa ne besi ne no omonti bibia mfiri no ne momo no de ni message ode ba ne se onyame ebedi wo masem ede amawo ebusia obekaya abra queen Afia nega oni ndukunu abrokwa nsem ne baaye no eye bra Kofi Adomah wanweni ekoye eye abrokwa interview na mse since then dear se ka se obi se metan wo bi a ene se queen Afia nega etan Kofi Adomah wanweni ene wabo se sa fiti time o ti se yesi tu abonani bisi ne ene kra na bra Kofi abekasa che se wo hye ne condition na areho no Afia nega say on de on fa boge enye swan.
How can you tell me the story? Say Plastered away. Doctor Ben on Nedi. How can you tell me the story? Huh? How can you tell me the story? Say Plastered away. Doctor Nedibo Kofi Adomah. Is this how we plaster an eye which is injured? How can you tell me the story? How? How? We need screenshots and I'm here because we will highlight the drama in it and work on it. You can't give me story that is not story. You can't come and buy sympathy from people. I am here scrutinizing to me, so me scrutinizing. How can you tell me this story? This fucking story. Opia wire eye operation. How can you tell me the story? Plus, oh, left the phone so damn when I'm the enemy in Koiduma. Doctor and a plaster anyway. My Jiminti near the story where I bremo. How can you tell anyway? Plus, say na doctor for plaster any. Say. Say na doctor for a plaster any. And near you we are now when in the fra. And I you when in the free hop. Say near plaster any. Aye be I'm not had here. Muna Jimino. How can you tell me the story? I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. I did an eye surgery. You all know, Senna Michelle glasses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. That qualified me to wear lens. These are my contact lens. The reason why I don't wear glasses again. I had a problem with my eye and they need to work on it so that I will qualify to be able to wear contact lenses. I did an eye surgery on the 13th of February. How can you tell me the story? Say your plaster any. Muchimi ne ye do my batomos Kofi Adomah. On any no me fraud.
I bow before your throne.
Yeah, you any. And near ye treat your mouth with the other hand here. Any a plaster is a somewhere more into ghpagetv.
Jesus, I worship you today.
I'm a crowd, the name of the men when they say, me, the many, I will my town for a I will see a conyomu sisters car. Who need chassis? Ask your enemies. May they see what they must see in their entire life. May they live to record God's vengeance on them. Because yes, this was my funeral. Who have so many benya? What's one when you're frano? And I was a wounded chassis. And you if you offend me, it's physical and spiritual. And need to be coming to do anymore. Mimbo utiswa for ye. And my God, who is not dumb and stupid, will strike. One of a kg for plaster where tata when he was Dr. Ben a plaster when he saw. May God punish punish your enemies. May God cause your enemies to do what they were expecting you to do. May God crush your enemies. Today I have seen my enemy crying and I'm rejoicing because it's the doing of the Lord.
I will say, Anna said, the air cost one or be a down for me. Say, what's one man, someone told what I say, shedder, a man, same being told. Now, some toa, ube hunk of what say, not one same show, mumu, and no mamma baby or papa, a dear kai woman. Yet, maybe I mean, some making and say, best string young coupon say, because me share live no na me share the one na ba Kofi etiko na osu na okase ni tie ne ya na odi areho a na me so me ra Kofi se nipa yense hwe na yiri kasa ye mu no se de bia ne kuni se anka owo ye chense obebri se yesre nyame se onfa na yaresa ema Kofi Adomah because areho na nso onyankopon ana yaresa ewo ne nsem tie nim se oye nyame de obekasa ama bibia akosodwo bedi mani edi ensem nichi any update bi afi hoba bedi beba besumu meka wo so be follow your Facebook as ghwoman and TikTok so as let's talk gh na wa share video we ama foforo aba she